How's it going, guys? CMod Plays here, and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Logitech BRIO. That is right, guys. I am very excited to be unboxing this camera, as you can see here. Anyways, yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. I just got this webcam. I'm going to be using it for streaming and stuff on Twitch. Go follow me on there. I'll have a link below. One thing I thought was cool about the camera and the reason I bought it was it's got 4K mode. Even though I'm pretty sure a lot of streams can't run in 4K, just the fact that webcam has the 4K capability, I thought was pretty cool. What's even cooler is in the 720 pixel mode, you actually get 90 frames per second as an option. For 1080, you get, of course, the 60 frames per second. From what I understand, the lighting on here and the autofocus is pretty good. There is a little bit of a downside with the autofocus, but regardless, a lot of people gave this camera a really good rating. The only thing that did bother me a bit was the price. It was $200. Now then again, the features you get on this thing is pretty cool, I have to admit, as you can see on here. Here's the back here. There we go. So yeah, that's what the back looks like. Looks pretty cool. Yeah. So we're going to be unboxing and opening this. So without further ado, guys, let's jump in. All right, so what we need to do first, of course, with any product is pop this part open, which I'm trying to find actually. This is going to be a bit more difficult. Looks like the sides here actually need to be popped open. So let me grab my scissors real fast, as that is something you definitely need when doing something like this. All right, there we go. Okay, all right, so I got the top opened. So here we go, opening it up. And as you can see inside, here's the cardboard box with it in it. And they really packaged this thing good. Okay, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. So here's the box. So you can see extra protection, which is always good. Yeah, here it is. Ooh. So looking inside right now, this is what you get so far. The BRIO, as you can see. I like the design on this. It looks really neat. All right. So yeah, let's start with this first. As you can see, here's the BRIO. All right. See, I might need to take it out first. Let's do that. Ah, there we go. Okay. There we go. We got that part off. And now for this here. There we go. Let's see what else we got inside here. One thing I do have to say, though, they really make these boxes compact. All right, there we go. So we got the cord, also known for the USB and stuff, so you can plug your camera in to your PC. We got a cloth for the camera, which is nice. And I'm assuming this is part of the stand here. And of course, we got ourselves our instructions. So that's always good to have, instructions. So yeah, this is pretty neat stuff. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty excited about this. This is pretty much all the stuff you get for your camera currently. I don't know about you, but like I said, cool camera. Of course, we got the cloth, and we do have the USB cable here. So that's it for the unboxing video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to get the camera for yourself, I'll have links below so you can buy the camera and stuff. I'll be doing other videos soon, basically testing out the camera, of course, by doing gaming videos and stuff. Also, if you watch my Twitch, you'll definitely see me use the camera there, so you can get a taste of what it would be like to use the camera yourself by watching those. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you enjoy your videos, smash like and subscribe, notifications on. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!